to True Projects. In this video, we are going to discuss about the project, which is Faculty Management System. So before getting into the execution, first let's understand what is the project about. So traditionally, these educational institutions, they relied mostly on manual process as well as separate systems to manage their academic and administrative tasks. So paper records were commonly used for maintaining faculty schedules and student grades. But these techniques they were prone to errors, data loss, and required significant storage space. Coming to lecture schedules and examination timetables, they were created manually, but these led to conflicts and also inefficiencies. Moving to the part of communication. So this communication, it was handled through notice boards for or individual messages. And this resulted in delayed messages and miscommunication. So additionally, different aspects of faculty and student management, they were often managed using disparate systems. But this caused data fragmentation and difficulty in accessing comprehensive information. So to overcome these limitations, we are developing faculty management system. So we are developing a faculty management system, which is innovative online web application. And this is designed to streamline the management of academic as well as administrative tasks within educational institutions. So this centralized platform, it allows faculties as well as students to handle their teaching, subjects, and various professional activities efficiently. And this also features three primary modules. One is admin, faculty, as well as student. So coming to admin, this admin module enables the addition of new students as well as faculty details. Coming to the faculty module, it supports scheduling lectures, managing their publications, and student module allows students to access and view relevant reports and marks. So this centralized database, it ensures that there will be easy access and management of academic records, schedules, and professional activities. So, this automated schedule reduces conflicts and enhances efficiency, while online communication ensures timely and accurate dissemination of the important information. So, the integration of various functions into a just single platform, it eliminates data fragmentation and it also allows for comprehensive data access. Furthermore, digital records enhance data security and reduce the risk of loss and the damage, which provides a more reliable and efficient solution for managing academic and administrative tasks in educational institutions. So moving on, we have utilized Django framework to build the web application. And we also integrated MySQLite as a database. Moving on, to implement this project, we need software and hardware requirements. So coming to hardware requirements, we need operating system of Windows, processor of 5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, and hard disk of 10 GB and above. Moving on to software requirements, we need Python ideally of 3.7.0 version and MySQL Workbench. So now we will execute the project. To execute it, we need to open the code folder which contains source code files. So these are the source code files in the code folder of a project. So let's understand each file, how will they be used in the project. Coming to the faculty folder, inside this folder, there are Python code files, which will be intended to be dynamically loaded into project during runtime. And these files, they serve the purpose of giving recommendation. Moving on, we have faculty app folder. Inside this folder, we have static folder, templates folder, and Python code files. So static folder, it contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. And these files, they contribute to the visual appeal and interactive aspects of the application. Coming to templates folder, within this folder, we will find all HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more representing various sections of the website. And this is manage.py file. So this file, it is a command line utility that comes with the Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, and applying migrations and more. And here we have DB file. This file contains the SQL queries that need to be executed within MySQL Workbench in order to establish the required database structure. And the last file we have is run.bat file. So it is instead of executing program through command line interface. So we have created this run.bat file to execute the project. So now we have to double click on it to execute it. So I'm double clicking on this run.bat file so that manage.py file will be compiled. So after this, in command line, we can see manage.py file is compiled. So here we can observe that manage.py file is compiled. And here Django framework has hosted the application locally at the default address, which is the local host and the port unless configured differently. So this is the local host and this is the port. Now we need to copy this local link provided by the Django framework and paste it in any web browser. So I'm copying the link. I prefer Google Chrome, so I'll paste it in that. Here we need to paste the link. At the end, we need to type index.html. So here we can see that we are redirected to homepage of the project. And this is the web page of the project, which is developed using Django framework. So now let's execute it. Here we can see three different links. One is admin login, faculty login, and student account login. So first we need to log in as admin and add faculty details as well as student details. So click on admin login. Here we can see username and the password need to be entered so that admin can be logged in. So I'm giving the username of the admin as well as password. Now click on sign in. Here admin has logged in successfully. And here we can see various links: add faculty details, add student details, view faculty details, view student details, and the last one we have is logout. So first we will add faculty details. For that, click on add faculty details link. Here we need to enter all the related details of the faculty name. So the faculty name is John and the gender is male. Here we need to give his contact number. Moving on, we have to give his mail ID and his qualification. So his qualification is PhD in computer science. And he has 5 years of experience. And he teaches Python and his username is John. Password, here we need to enter his password. Now click on submit. So here we can observe that faculty details are added successfully by the admin. Now let us add student details. So click on add student details link. Here we need to provide all his details. So student name is Karthik. Gender is male. Here we need to provide his contact number and his mail ID. And his course name is BTech. He's of second year and his username is Karthik. And here we need to provide his password. Now click on submit. Here we have entered wrong email address, so let us enter it again. Now click on submit. So here we can observe that admin has added successfully student details. So here we can see two links. One is view faculty details and view student details. If we click on these buttons, admin can view faculty details as well as student details. So first let's check faculty details. So click on view faculty details link. So here we can observe that there are 3 faculty members and here are his details. Now let us view student details. So click on view student details link. So here admin can view student name, their gender, contact number, email ID, course name, year, username, and their passwords. Now we will log out and log in as faculty account login. Now click on faculty account login link. So here we have to provide username and the password so that faculty can log in. Here I am giving the username as John and provide the password. Now click on login. Here we can observe that faculty has logged in successfully. And here faculty will be able to do 4 different types of tasks. One is he can manage his teaching subjects and schedules. He can manage publications. He can add mark sheets, and he can also give his engagements, that is his work that is going to do. So first we will manage teaching subjects and schedules. So click on that link. And here we need to enter all the related details. So the subject name would be Intro to Python. And the course name would be Computer Science. And is going to teach for first year. And here we have to provide the lecture room number, that is going to be 52. And the topic is going to cover is Introduction to Data Types, Variables, and Operators. And here we have to choose the lecture date and time. So the date is 19th Wednesday and the time is 3:15. Now click on submit. Here we can observe that lecture is scheduled and it is saved in the database. So now let us add his publication. So click on manage publications link. Here we need to provide all the publication details of his. So for example, this will be the paper that John will be publishing. So copy the title. Get back to the application. Here we need to give the research paper title. So paste it here. And here we have to give the list of authors. So the author name is John. And the other one is Mary. Journal name is IEEE. And the volume issue number would be volume 10, comma, issue 3. And the total pages of the article is 15 pages. And the publisher name is IEEE. And the publication date would be June 18th. And here the DION number would be 2005678. And here we are supposed to give the link for that. So copy the link, get back to the application, paste it here. And now we need to click on choose file to upload the article that is going to publish. So click on choose file. So this is the paper that he'll be publishing. So select that, click on open. And here we can see that article is loaded. Now click on submit. So here we can observe that publication details are successfully added to the database. So now let us add the mark sheets. So click on add sheets, add mark sheet link. We need to enter all these details. So the course name is Computer Science 101. And the year is second year. And the results description is SEM 4 results. And here we need to click on choose file to upload the mark sheet. Select the mark sheet. Now click on open. And here we can observe that mark sheet has been uploaded. Now click on submit. So here we can observe that mark sheet details are added to the database. So now let us click on engagement link and give the activity of the faculty. So the faculty member is engaged with the invigilation duty. So here we need to give the engagement description. And here we have to give the conduct date, that is from the date which is going to start. So select the date. So the date will be 28th June to the date 30th June. So here we have to give the venue. Venue would be AMS College, Amirpet, and here we have to give the state. So the state is Telangana. And here we have to select the engagement type. So the engagement would be invigilation. Now click on submit. Here we can observe that engagement details are also successfully added to the database. Now log out of faculty and log in as student. So click on student account login link. And here we need to provide the student's credentials. So username is Karthik. And here we have to give his password. Now click on login. Here we can observe that student has logged in successfully. And here we can see various links, which is view lecture schedules, view faculty publications, download mark sheet, and view faculty engagements. So first, let's check the schedules. So click on view lecture schedules link. So here we can observe that student can see all the schedules that he has. So here we can observe that faculty John is going to take the class Introduction to the Python. That is for the course Computer Science 101 for the second year students in the room 102. And the topic which will be covered in that class is Intro to the Data Types and Variables. And this is the lecture date and time that will be conducted. So now we will see the publications of the faculty. For that, click on View Faculty Publications link. So here is the publication of the faculty John. So here are the details of that publication. Now let us download mark sheet for the student Karthik. So click on Download Mark Sheet link. So here are the details for the mark sheet. So the mark sheet which is issued by is John faculty. So the John lecturer has issued the mark sheet, and this is the course name for the second year students. And the mark sheet is for SEM 4 results. So if you click here to download link in the download mark sheet column, student will be able to download the mark sheet. So click on that. So here in the pop-up bar, we can observe that mark sheet has been downloaded. Now we will view the faculty engagements. For that, click on View Faculty Engagements link. So here we can observe that John lecturer is occupied with the invigilation duty from 28th June to 30th June. In the college AMS, the place is Amirpet. So now click on Log Out. In this way, by using this application, faculty and the students will be able to manage their academics and administrative tasks.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.